In this video, I'll show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. I'll show you two different methods, and each one gives a different cartoon style. First, open Canva and go to Uploads. Upload a photo from your computer and drag it onto your canvas. Make sure the image is selected. With the image selected, go to Apps in the bottom left corner. In the search bar, type Cartoonify. Click on the Cartoonify app and apply it to your image. Canva will scan the photo and instantly turn it into a cartoon. As you can see, the result looks clean and fun. Now, let's try a different style. Upload the same photo again. Go back to Apps and search for Anime. Select the Anime app and tap Animate your image. This gives you a more animated anime-style cartoon look. And that's it. 2 easy ways to turn any photo into a cartoon using Canva. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Canva tutorials.